The key thing is about
mamwe ma maundu maria meyumiririe hindi ya mucemanio wa oro mwaka wa kiama kia arigitani gia KMPDU ni arigitani gukorwo matakuruhanitio mubango-ini wa kumatha motungata wa SHA ona thengia wa gukorwo nio matungatagira arwaru mathibitari-ini.
By the way, it's not even SHA that locks you out. It is the system, it's the super digital highway that locks you out. We must care for our carers.
Atongoria a kiama giki matabanĩtie mucemanio uyu kumurika maundu maria maiguithanirie mwaka muhituku mbere ya kunina mugomo uria woire ihinda ria thiku 56 na oho guthurima makinya maria ministry itacukitie hari gutigirira maundu maria matari mahingie ni mahingio.
When we have special delegate conference, we were saying Nakumicha must go. But today, in our annual delegate conference, we are saying Duale must come.
Kuringana na minister wa ugima wa mwiri Aden Duale, kigina kia muigana wa ciringi bilioni 1.75 ni irekereirio niguo kuriha thiri kuri arigitani gukwakiranira thiri uria utigarite ni ukurihwo mwaka turorete wa kigina.
We will not agree that we are producing doctors that have no jobs and we are importing doctors. We will not.
That our new CBA negotiation for the year 2025-2029 need to anchor that aspect of the inflation, that we should not anymore, after today, talk about the intern wages.
Kuringana na Duale ni ati ona gutuika ministry ndirirahingia maundu mothe maria meraniirwo ni makinyanirie mubango wa kuhe arigitani 93 mweke wa kuongerera mathomo kuria gukinyiria riu gikundi kia muigana wa ciringi milioni 73 kirekereirio gia kurihira gikundi kia mbere kia arigitani 50 na nafithi kuria ningi arigitani 1035 aria marabataraga mieke ya internship maratumirwo thibitari-ini itiganite kiumia kihituku.
You cannot commercialize the training of doctors. We will regulate the facilities. We will find, number one, whether you have all the facilities to train a medical doctor. And two, what is your capacity?
Ona gukiri uguo mwandiki munene KMPDU Dagitari Davji Atera ni ahinyiriirie bata wa unyitaniri na kurutithania wira hamwe gatagati kao na ministry niguo kunina migomo iria tabanagio ni arigitani mahinda kwa mahinda.
When we are saying we are going on strike, is the only option. That is the Kiambu. We are also asking that we have strike in Kakamega and strike in Marsabit.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.